No.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
But see, that's like a real fake word. It's like maybe something else like, that's a good example of something that is just not a word at all. You've never heard this before. Guggenheimen. Guggenheimen. All right, team number one, your word is Guggenheimen.
Guggenheimen. G.
O.
U.
G.
G.
E.
N.
H.
I.
M.
E.
N.
Guggenheimen.
Very good, team number one. Now, in order to get full credit for this word, use it in a sentence.
One day
When
I
was
a
fast,
runner,
I
tripped
and
fell
on
my
Guggenheim. And that is correct! Team number one, you are good to go with a full point. Congratulations. All right, team number two. Team number two. Don't let them outdo you now. Can I get a word for team number two, please?
Fork and butt.
Fork and butt. Fork and butt, team number two.
fork and butt. B.
O.
B.
R.
R.
E.
K.
K.
B.
E.
U.
N.
T. Fork and butt.
Alright, that's very good. Team number two. Now for full credit, use the word fork and butt in a sentence.
One
Day,
my
dog,
fell
on,
his
fork and butt, some,
scoot came
out,
fork and butt.
And that is correct! Team number two, you have even the score! You have even the score! Team number one. Team number one, all the pressure's on you. What is team number one's second word?
Chicken fart.
Trig and flark. Team number one, trig and flark.
Trig and flark.
T.
R.
I.
G.
E.
Q.
N.
L.
L.
P.
A.
Z.
C.
D.
K.
Trig and flark.
And team number one, I'm sorry, it looks like you messed up big time. Completely incorrect. Team number two, here's your chance to take the lead. Spell Triggenflart.
Trig and flark. T.
R.
I.
G.
G.
O.
E.
N.
F.
F.
O.
O.
R.
R.
P.
U.
T. Trig and flark.
Team number two, that is correct. But hold on, this is not over yet. In order to win the match, directly use Triggenflart in a sentence.
Math.
doesn't
Scare.
me,
Because.
I
Know.
how
To.
Triggenflart
My.
self
Into.
a
Psychosis.